Hi y'all, today we're going to be keeping it simple. We're going to be doing a little breakfast bake. We're doing a biscuits and gravy bake. For this we got some sausage. I'm using some Italian sausage. We got some Pillsbury biscuits, some butter, some black pepper, some salt, some milk, cayenne, garlic, onion powder, and some flour. But before we get to cooking, we are on the road to 1,000 subscribers, so if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Let's get to baking. Alright y'all, so we're going to start with just one can of biscuit. We're going to go ahead and quarter up these biscuits. Then we got a lightly greased baking sheet over baking pan. I'm going to go ahead, kind of just evenly spread these out. Now we've got our oven preheated to 375. We're going to throw these in there for about 12 to 15 minutes. And while that's cooking, we're going to start with our filling, with our sausage gravy. We're going to take 2 pounds of our ground sausage, going into a cold pan. You can put it at a medium-high heat. Going into a cold pan is going to get us a finer crumble on our meat. Take about half a tablespoon of our garlic, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of cayenne, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a tablespoon of our onion powder. Alright, once our sausage is cooked, we're going to go ahead and drop in 4 tablespoons of butter. We're going to start melting that butter. Now we're going to sprinkle in 1/4 cup of flour. We just want to brown that flour real quick. Once that flour's had a little chance to cook, we're going to take 6 cups of milk. Reduce this heat, let this simmer, thicken up a little bit. Alright, once our gravy's had a chance to thicken up and our par-baked biscuits are out of the oven, we're going to go ahead and do that. Now we're just going to dump this right over the top. Now we're going to take, we went ahead and quartered the last of our biscuits. Maybe I should have used a slightly bigger pan, but we've committed. Now we're going to very carefully put this back in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes until those biscuits are done. At that point, I will bring you back. Alright y'all. After about 18 minutes, there we have it. Mine overflowed a bit, probably should have used a bigger pan, but that is alright. But if you like this video, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch, and until next time, keep on cooking on.